Guys, welcome back to Lyon Mack TV. Mack here with another exciting, delighting and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one is about Emoney Kcee, the brother, and the entire Ogene team. Like, it was a vibe all through. You know, when people are filled with so much gladness and the fact that they are going out to support their own, it definitely gives them that mindset to start a celebration that they don't really expect it. That was what happened here, and that's what we're sharing here. At the same time, we're sharing with you a reunion of Kcee and the wife. Kcee wife, actually, she stays in Istanbul. She has some business in Istanbul, so she's actually not coming to Nigeria very soon, but she was in Nigeria. I'll be sharing with you some of the moments as well here on the video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification. This is an Ogene, a cultural praise stuff entirely about the Igbo. Enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe. Now I have this question to ask all of you watching this video now. The tactical question here is this: why will you be dancing to an Igbo song dressed in Hausa Yoruba dressing? Like, what does it imply? We all know Ogaranya, the big man, actually dress in this attire, but we also have our own Igbo cultural dressing for the big men. Why does these people don't, dress in this attire and represent us as the big men, the big socialites they should be? We all know they are from the east, but they don't do that. Anyway guys, drop that in the comment section below. We'll be sharing with you another video of Kcee reunion with the wife here in Nigeria. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy the video, tell me your thoughts.
Oh, I got excess ice. Let me serve you. I say queen they wanna. Probably live in the Marcos in the
No, it's just Blue Label.
We have to end up Blue Label now.
We Igbos tend to be the most blessed people. I would say the most blessed people, with the best women in the world, most industrious women in the world, strong women in the world, like, always being so loyal, submissive to the family. I'm not saying other part of the world don't have submissive women, but our women are so industrious. They just have the same blood as ourselves. Well, maybe I'm beginning to make this video look like it's about Igbos alone, but why I'm saying this is because people in this clip, this video here, are all Igbos, and the activity they do here relates to the religion, or should I say the tribe. Yes, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below, tell me your thoughts in the comment section.